Hello everyone, Kelly here from the HOKA Elementary team. I'm going to take you on a little tour of the HOKA Elementary home. This is a sneak peek of what you're going to find when you join the membership. Here we've got unit themes, craft guides, and video resources. This is the triangle that makes up HOKA Elementary's fantasticness. And let's have a look at some of these craft guides. How are they organized? Okay, how to navigate this craft project guide section. Here you go. Instructions and tips for navigating these. Each theme, let's look at theme number 1 again, Great Lesson 1, comes with a complete craft guide of 4 lessons. And Laura has everything laid out for you. You don't have to be artsy craftsy to do any of this. Each project, materials, a tip for, helping to, if there's, something with cutting, or she's something about craft felt. Step-by-step instructions with photos, all covered for you. And finally, a potential finished result, and always share in our Facebook group so you can show off the awesome work your students are doing. Now, project number 2 out of 4, materials, tips, instructions for setup, and this one is a printable, so it's not so much steps, but this one, for example, you've got your materials, you've got your steps, you've got your tips, and now you've got your step-by-step again. And each PDF for the craft guides goes like this. We're looking at geography before. Let's have a look. Project guide for geography. You've got these are your 4 projects. You've got your intro. You've got your supply list. This is a special tip. And you've got ingredients. This one, you're making salt dough, so it's a bit of a prep. And then step by step. Parts of a river painting, materials you need, tips for doing the project, step by step with photos. So each themes, projects, and these are Laura's children doing all the lessons, so they are kid tested and approved.